Why does the octopus forget if its brain grew larger from learning? Options: brain size doesn't guarantee memory storage. Octopus brains shrink overnight naturally. Learning requires constant food rewards. Water temperature erases neural pathways. The correct answer is brain size doesn't guarantee memory storage. Octopuses store memories in arm neurons, not brain. Arms learn independently and decay without reinforcement. Brain size is irrelevant to recall. How can it forget yet relearn faster if memory vanished? Options: genetic muscle memory remains, not conscious recall. Fear instinct creates automatic new memories. Photos trigger different neural pathways each time. Octopuses pretend to forget to reset. The correct answer is genetic muscle memory remains, not conscious recall. Arms retain chemical imprints even when conscious memory fades. Relearning activates dormant neural echoes, making acquisition faster without true recall. If the octopus has a centralized brain, why lose facial memory? Options: decentralized arms don't sync with brain storage. Octopus brains are too small for faces. Facial recognition requires constant eye contact. Memory stored in water salinity, not neurons. The correct answer is decentralized arms don't sync with brain storage. 2/3 of octopus neurons live in arms, not brain. Arms control own decisions, forget independently. Brain can't overwrite arm amnesia. Why doesn't it remember if you're testing the same octopus? Options: octopuses molt and lose all neural connections. Each molt creates a new organism, not same individual. Learning requires seasonal light triggers. Mazes need to change yearly to test memory. The correct answer is octopuses molt and lose all neural connections. Octopuses shed skin and parts regularly. During molting, neural pathways rebuild incompletely. The same octopus is neurologically different post-molt. If a severed arm remembers food, why does the octopus forget easily? Options: arm memory and brain memory are isolated systems. Severed arms have stronger memories than attached ones. Octopus brain actively deletes old arm data. Food triggers create temporary false memories. The correct answer is arm memory and brain memory are isolated systems. Arm neurons function independently. They store local memories that don't transmit to the brain. Forgetting is actually the brain ignoring arm data. Why can't learning override instinct if the octopus has intelligence? Options: short-term memory in arms decays before instinct updates. Intelligence and instinct use the same brain region. Poisonous crabs release chemicals that reset memory. Octopuses choose death over admitting mistakes. The correct answer is short-term memory in arms decays before instinct updates. Instinct runs on hard-wired pathways. Learned avoidance fades after days because arm neurons prioritize genetic programs over new experience. If it's intelligent, why can't it conclude the object is harmless? Options: repeated exposure without reward doesn't update threat memory. Octopus intelligence is only for hunting, not reasoning. Safe objects reset weekly in octopus neural code. Indifference requires brain size octopuses don't have. The correct answer is repeated exposure without reward doesn't update threat memory. Octopuses learn through active use, not passive observation. Without interaction reward, exposure alone doesn't trigger memory consolidation or habit change. How is an octopus intelligent if it can't learn by watching? Options: intelligence and social learning are separate abilities. Octopuses are intelligent but not at teaching others. Copying requires language octopuses don't possess. Watching triggers neural blocking in observers. The correct answer is intelligence and social learning are separate abilities. Octopus intelligence is problem-solving, not social transmission. Each arm must directly interact to learn. Knowledge dies with the individual octopus. If the first octopus learned the trick, why abandon it? Option: success depletes the neurochemical that powers that memory. Escape resets the brain to baseline learning state. Octopuses avoid repeated behaviors for genetic diversity. Tank memories erase when water is changed. The correct answer is success depletes the neurochemical that powers that memory. Learning in octopuses requires active dopamine reinforcement. One successful escape triggers satiation. Without ongoing reward cycles, the learned pathway decays. How do octopuses thrive if nothing is learned across generations? Options: genetic instinct replaces learned knowledge entirely. Young octopuses inherit memories through DNA somehow. Octopuses teach offspring before they're born. Learning isn't necessary for octopus survival. The correct answer is genetic instinct replaces learned knowledge entirely. Octopuses rely on hardwired instinct, not cultural transmission. Evolution solved their survival through genes, not teaching. Forgetting is irrelevant to fitness. Why doesn't the octopus remember its own discovery? Options: brain damage from stress. Each arm has separate memory. Memory erases after sleep. It's actually playing dumb. The correct answer is each arm has separate memory. Octopuses store memories in their arms, not one central brain. When arms age or regenerate, learned skills vanish with them. Did the octopus forget its fear or change its mind? Options: it got bored with training. The learned behavior literally dissolved. It tested the researchers. Fear faded over time naturally. The correct answer is the learned behavior literally dissolved. Octopus learning is chemical, not electrical. The proteins encoding memory break down rapidly. Unlike humans, they lack reinforcement pathways. How did it remember the maze underwater? Options: ocean currents felt familiar. It didn't. Lucky guess. Muscle memory lasted longer. Genes passed the knowledge. The correct answer is muscle memory lasted longer. Motor learning in octopus arms outlasts declarative memory. Arms remember movements even when the brain forgets why. Instinct beats cognition. Will the observer octopus use the new technique? Options: yes, it copies immediately. No, it can't retain it. Only if starving. Only if the teacher repeats it. The correct answer is no, it can't retain it. Octopuses lack social memory consolidation. They see it, understand it, but can't encode it as lasting knowledge. No teacher-student chains form. What erased the hunting strategy? Options: the fish moved away, seasonal mood change, short-term memory expired, it found better prey. The correct answer is short-term memory expired. Octopus short-term memory lasts days, not months. Without active reinforcement, neural traces degrade. The brain simply never archived the skill. What suddenly broke the learning streak? Options: puzzle was switched, the octopus got sick, memory protein degraded completely, it lost motivation. The correct answer is memory protein degraded completely. Octopus learning proteins like phosphorylated kinases degrade within weeks without neurochemical renewal. Unlike humans, they lack long-term potentiation systems. Why can't the other arms learn what one arm knows? Options: arms are too independent, the brain won't transfer skills, each arm has its own mini-brain, laziness between arms. The correct answer is each arm has its own mini-brain. Each of an octopus' 8 arms has 2/3 of its neurons. They think locally, store locally, forget locally. One arm's learning doesn't sync. Why didn't it repeat the proven escape? Options: boredom forced change, it forgot the old route, the tank was modified, it got clever. The correct answer is it forgot the old route. Octopus memory has no replay function. They don't reinforce past success. Each attempt starts fresh, searching for solutions anew. Innovation, not wisdom. Did the octopus completely forget the danger? Options: yes, memory expired, it got confused, arms disagreed, hunger overrode memory. The correct answer is yes, memory expired. Octopus aversion learning degrades faster than positive learning. Without repeated exposure, fear memories vanish in days. Survival instinct fades before curiosity returns. Did the octopus visual system fail or its memory? Options: vision system degraded, memory consolidated nowhere, it chose to ignore faces, attention shifted away. The correct answer is memory consolidated nowhere. Octopuses lack a dedicated cortex for face recognition. They store visual patterns in temporary neural loops, not permanent files. No archive exists.